Determine the ratio in which the line x plus y equals to 4 divides the line formed by joining the point negative comma 1 and 5 comma 7. Let us begin. So here what we'll do, we'll consider 2 points. Point A, let's say, has the coordinates negative 1 comma 1. We'll consider another point B. B has the coordinates 5 comma 7. We're going to join the 2 points with the help of a straight line. Next, we're given here that we have another line x plus y equals to 4. So let's say this is the line denoted by x plus y equals to 4, and this particular line is dividing AB in the ratio lambda is to 1. So our goal will be to determine the value of lambda. Fine. So what we'll do, we'll first try to find out the equation of AB. Once we have the equation of AB, so the intersection is going to give us the coordinate of the intersection point E, and once we can find out the coordinate value of E, we can use it and apply the internal section formula to find out the value of lambda. So let's go step by step. Our first goal will be to determine the equation of line AB. To do that, all we have to do is use the 2-point form of a line. So here, let's say we have 2 points with the coordinates x1 comma y1 and at the other point x2 comma y2. Here, if the line passes through these 2 points, then our equation of the line will be given by y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 whole multiplied to x minus x1. So since we have the 2 points, we can easily apply the 2-point form to obtain the equation of AB. So let's do that. So here, let's assume A to be equivalent to x1 comma y1 and B to be x2 comma y2. So the choice is complete. This is independent of choice, meaning you can have started with B as x1 y1 and choose A as x2 y2 and still end up with the same result. So let's begin. Now we need y minus y1. So y1 will be the y coordinate of point A, so that's simply 1. Equals to, now we need y2 minus y1. So y2 y1 minus y1 means we need 7 minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1, so that's 5 minus negative 1. This will be multiplied to x minus x1. So x1 will be the x coordinate of point A, so since it's negative 1, we have x plus 1. Solving this, we get y minus 1 equals to 6 divided by 6 times x plus 1, or we have y minus 1 equals to x plus 1. Let's rearrange the terms. We get x minus y equals to negative 2. So this is going to be the equation of the line AB. We rename this as equation number 1, x plus y equals to 4, and x minus y equals to negative 2 as equation number 2. Now let's do one thing. Let's add equation number 1 with equation number. This will help us to obtain the value of x and y. So we have 2x equals to 2, so x will be equals to 1. So you can substitute in either 1 or 2 to get the value of y. The y will be equals to 4 minus x. Since x is 1, so our y value comes out to be 3. This means that the coordinate of the point E, which is the point of intersection, the coordinate of E, that's going to be 1 comma 3. Fine. Now we have the point. Now what we can do, so we'll start with point A with the coordinate negative 1 comma 1. Then we have point B with the coordinate 5 comma 7. We join them with the help of a straight line. We have the coordinate of point E with 1 comma 3, which is dividing AB in the ratio lambda is to 1. Using the internal section formula, the 1 comma 3, that's the coordinate of point E, that will be equals to, so all we have to do is take lambda, multiply it with B. 1 will get multiplied to A. So that means to find out the x coordinate, lambda will get multiplied with the x coordinate of point B. Since it is 5, so we have 5 lambda. Added to, we have 1 times the x coordinate of point A, so that's going to be negative 1 divided by lambda plus 1. And then to find out the y coordinate, we'll take lambda and multiply it with the y coordinate of B, so that's 7 lambda. Added to 1 times the y coordinate of point A, so that's 1 divided by lambda plus 1. So now what we have to do is equate the 2 coordinates. We can do on the x coordinate or the y coordinate, that both of them is going to give us the same value of lambda. So this will be equals to 1. We're using the x coordinate, but that means 5 lambda minus 1 will be equals to lambda plus 1. So we get 4 lambda. 5 lambda minus lambda gives 4 lambda equals to 1 plus 1. That's going to be 2. Which means lambda comes out to be 1 over 2. Or we can say that the ratio is simply in the 1 is to 2. So this is the ratio in which the line x plus y equals to 4 divides the line formed by joining the points A and B.